Hey YouTube, it's your girl Style by Shay, and today I am going to be doing kinky twist on my hair. My hair is natural, but it's not bone straight, so I am hoping that it still looks really kinky. What I'm going to do is wet it and use some other products to get it to blend in, so it should look fine. The hair I am using, I ordered from Amazon by Beyond Beauty. This is, it says best quality, tangle free. They probably all say tangle free. This is the spring hair, it's called, spring hair. It comes in a bag like this, and it comes in packs like this of 3. And the hair basically looks springy. So it's not your average kinky twist hair. I like the kinky twist hair, but I also wanted to try this out too. I seen another YouTuber use this hair, so I am going to attempt to use this hair today. I figured since I am relaxed that my hair might blend a little bit better with this hair opposed to the kinky twist hair, so we shall see. And I will keep checking in with you guys throughout the process. Right now it's about 8:30 p.m. and I'm probably not going to finish tonight because I do want to get up in the morning and go to church. So what I'm going to do tonight, if not all of it, is at least the perimeter so I can put it up or do something like that to hide the middle part if I don't finish tonight. And then of course, once I'm completely done, I will come back and show you the finished product. But I wanted you guys to see it from the beginning. I parted it in 4 sections. These clips right here actually came in the pack with the hair. And then also, they included these clips. I ain't using that shit. But anyways, as you can see, I got my laptop in the background. I am in my office with the door closed, no kids in here, and I am gonna watch a movie, and I'm gonna do my hair. Quick update, the spring twist hair is not turning out how I expected or how I wanted it to. Here's one of the spring twist ones. It just looks really raggedy in my opinion. It doesn't look good. So I actually have some regular afro kinky twist type hair. I have this handy and I'm gonna use this. So I'm gonna take, I just wanted you guys to see the spring twist, but I'm gonna take the spring twist out and then I'm gonna start the kinky twist with just regular kinky twist hair. I don't know, but it's not working on me. Here's a regular kinky twist, which you can see is a little, it's neater than this one. The top one is the spring, and this is also a spring twist one. The hair is a lot softer and I like it, but it just looks really raggedy in my opinion, and I think I'm just gonna go with the regular. I don't even know if this video is like really showing you how raggedy it looks. Like, I don't like it. So I'm gonna take that out. And like I said, this is a regular kinky twist with the regular kinky twist hair, which is turning out better, so I'm gonna use that. So I'll be back once I've done more. All right, so I am done with the front so far. I am going to put some bronze on the ends and curl the ends. I still have to do the back of my hair, but at least I'm done with the front for now. I've run out of hair, so I'm gonna have to, it's Saturday night. I don't know if there'll be any stores open tomorrow, Sunday. Luckily I'm off on Monday, so yeah, my room's a wreck. My daughter came in here and started just tossing shit around. But anyways, yeah, so this is where I'm at so far. So far I'm happy. I'm gonna put some mousse on it to lay the flyaways down. Like I said, I'm gonna rod it. The ends, well, I'm gonna clean these ends up a little bit because they're a little scraggly. do now. As you know, my hair was long, or my hair is long, so it comes like, let's see, my hair stops right about here, so I'm leaving that much, and I'm gonna curl that part. It's not too tight. I don't like doing it real tight because I like my hair. I don't want to pull it out. My edges are kind of tight, but not too tight. It's good enough to where they won't be pulled out. So anyways, yeah, hopefully I'll be able to find a beauty store tomorrow and get some more hair, and I will finish the back tomorrow. And then once I'm completely done, I will do another video. Anyways, I'm really tired. It is 2 o'clock in the morning, so I am going to get some rest. Obviously, I am not going to make it to church in the morning, but they do have it to where you can watch it online. So that's what I'm going to end up doing. I'll still wake up early for that. And that's about it. I will see you guys later. I'm going to bed. Okay, it's the next day, and I am completely done. So let me show you what I'm working with so far. Okay. So I'm done the kinky twist portion of it, but I still have a few more things that I want to do. So one thing that I did is I used this Got to Be Fantastic mousse. Love this stuff. This is really good mousse. I think I got it from, I want to say CVS or something like that. And yeah, that's what I do after I kinky twist all of them. So I'll turn around so you can get a quick look at the back. Again, my daughter came in here, messed up my room, and just do stuff all over the place. Anyways, here's the back. You can see how long they are. Okay, and excuse how I look. I'm not going anywhere today. I did have to go out of the house to get some hair. I went to Sally's because, like I said, I ran out of hair. And this is the hair that I got from out of Sally's. Oh. Hold on, Belle. The lighting is horrible, but it's Sally's brand, I guess. The Afro Kinky braid hair out of Sally's. It was like almost $7 a pack. Hold on, Bella. Hold on. Out of Sally's, it was $7 a pack, and it took 2 packs to complete the back of my hair. I actually do like this hair from Sally's. It was expensive though, and I don't feel like it was worth $7, but I do like it. It was a lot softer and it was a lot fluffier. So with the hair, I'm gonna have to fix that. With the hair that, this is not my hair. That's the kinky hair. Okay. So let me just clean that up. Okay. What was I saying? Yeah, so the hair that I use in the front is just some hair that I had got from the beauty store a while back. It's a thicker texture, and I had to use 3 strands for each twist, whereas the one with the Sally's brand in the back only had to use 2 strands for each twist. So I feel like, you know, it was plumper, thicker, I guess, type hair, and I liked it better. But the next step, I'm gonna put some rods on the ends to curl it. I'm gonna dip it in hot water, and then I'll come back, do my eyebrows, and I'll show y'all the final look. Hey YouTube, so this is the final look of the hair. So you can see the ends are curled, which I am loving. Okay, I said I was gonna do my eyebrows, but I didn't. I just went ahead and curled my hair and cleaned this room up a little bit, and I just came back to show show y'all what it looked like now. So I decided, opposed to doing like the typical squares, I did kind of like the rounded parts opposed to the squares that I normally do. This is my first time doing that, so I kind of wanted to try it out and see how it would look. I don't know how the back part looks because I didn't get a mirror to look at the back, to check the back out, and I mean, who cares? It's pretty thick, so I doubt that you'll be seeing the back parts anyways. You just mainly see like the top and pretty much that's it, the top and the front, which looks very neat. Hold on, Belle. And so now I gotta do Bella's hair. Look at this. Look at this. Say hi, YouTube. Hi. Say my turn. So thanks for tuning. Don't rush us off. Thanks for tuning in to watch the video. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Again, if you want a how-to on how I actually did the kinky twist, then comment below. I can show you a quick tutorial on how to do it. Like I mentioned, there are a lot of videos out there already. I'm just showing you like the protective style and giving you a few of the steps that I did to accomplish this style. And if you like videos like this, please like and subscribe below, and that lets me know that you're interested and that I should continue to make these videos, and you'll continue to tune in, right? So thanks for watching the video today, and I will be seeing you guys around. Bye. Bye. Say bye. 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 And we're going to wash your hair, right? Yeah. Okay, let's go. Yeah.